Hello friends, how many of you would like to look younger, have a face more uplifted, have under eye hollows disappeared, would like to have lips that are volumized or they're pouting, or they want their entire face to look younger, hydrated and a much amazing look. So friends, there is a secret. And hello friends, how many of you would like to look younger, have a face more uplifted, have under eye hollows disappeared, would like to have lips that are volumized or they're pouting, or they want their entire face to look younger, hydrated and a much amazing look. So friends, there is a secret, and there's a secret to all of this, and the secret is fillers. Yes, that's right, fillers. You know, nowadays you go to party, you meet people and you find that suddenly they are looking much younger or much more attractive than their age, and most of them would have undergone a treatment called fillers, and they would not reveal this treatment that they have undergone this treatment. So friends, today in this video I'll be telling you all the details, the secrets about the use of these fillers, how it can change your look dramatically in a very positive way. Hi, I am Dr. Sandeep Basin from Carewell Medical Center, and today I'm here with you to share about the secrets of fillers that can make you look much younger. So, how many of you want to look young? How many of you want that your face should look lifted, or you want to get rid of your under eye hollowness, or you want your lips to look much younger? How many of you are interested? You can type down in the comments, I am, so I can understand how many people would like to know about that. Yes, so thanks. Now, then there is muscles. There is a smooth layer above the muscles. There are bones. All of them are in proper shape, proper volume, proper size. That keeps your skin tight, lifted up and give it a young look. Imagine down the years, you are becoming older. You're becoming 20s, then 30s, then 40s, then 50s. What is happening? Well, you start losing all of these. Your bones start getting dissolved. Fat gets atrophied. You start losing the moisture from the skin. Muscles become hypertrophied. Smooth layers become weak. You lose all the support under the skin. What happened? Two things. Because of the loss of the support, the skin starts sagging down. Your entire face sags down as if it is pulled down with gravity. Imagine how a young face looks in 20s and 30s, all lifted up, all plumped up. How in 70s, 80s, the entire face looks as if it is sagging down, it is pulled down. The gravity is pulling everything down. This is sagging. The sign and hallmark of aging. Another thing that happens. Because of loss of this moisture and all this support, the wrinkles come up. The wrinkles come up on the face, friends. And these wrinkles can be fine wrinkles or deep wrinkles. Now what we can do, imagine we can reverse all this. We can reverse all these changes, at least in look wise, so that you start looking younger immediately and instantly. Yes, this is what we do when we inject our skin and underlying tissues with fillers, which really plump up the skin, which lift up the skin, which moisturize the skin. The entire of these changes to an extent can be reversed, and your looks can again look fabulous and excellent. Now the secret behind all this is a molecule called hyaluronic acid. Now can you guess what this hyaluronic acid does? What is the role of hyaluronic acid? Just imagine. Yes, hyaluronic acid is one molecule which attracts some moisture much more in volume than what its actual size is. When it absorbs a lot of moisture, it clumps up the skin, it lifts up the skin, it makes that entire area well hydrated, look much younger, tight and lifted. So this hyaluronic acid is one molecule which has revolutionized the entire industry of cosmetology, dermatology, anti-aging clinics. So we take these fillers and we inject these fillers in the different layers of the skin to give you the impact of lifting. The different kind of fillers The fillers can be temporary, semi-permanent or permanent. The fillers which are acting from 6 months to 1.5 years are called temporary fillers. The fillers that are lasting between 2 to 5 years are called semi-permanent fillers, and more than 5 years are called the permanent fillers. Now, PMMA, polymethyl methacrylate and polylactic acid are like permanent fillers. Should we be using them? Are permanent fillers better? Because many people think when we go for permanent fillers, we save cost, we don't have to go to doctor again and again. So once done, it is a much better thing. But friends, there's a big price, the big problem with permanent fillers. The complications are much higher with them. And sometimes these complications can become very, very difficult to handle. So my advice to you, stay away from all permanent fillers. Move towards safer fillers, which are temporary fillers, the hyaluronic acid fillers. These are the safest fillers. In India, there are two companies, Juvidum and Restylane. They are the most popular brands in India which are being used. There are many other brands also, but these two are the most popular brands. You can go for them. So where can these fillers be used in the face? The fillers can be used to volumize, to work on your fine lines or fine wrinkles. Now, the fillers can be used in the face to lift your cheek. This is the mid-face lift. The mid-face is like a key area. The moment you work on the mid-face, you lift your cheek up, multiple changes happen in your face. What happens? Your entire face lifts up. Your nasolabial lines lift up. Your angle of mouth lifts up. Your jaws lift up. So everything lifts up when you lift your cheek up or mid-face up. So that is the first area to start with, mid-face. So we start the fillers, we give the fillers in the mid-face. There are specific points on the cheekbones where when we inject the fillers deep, deposit them on the bones, they will lift all the ligaments, fascias of your face, mid-face, and lift your entire face up. That can give you a very, very good result and also make your cheekbones look more prominent, which is a sign of youthfulness. We can also work with fillers and change your look. You know, people having hollowness under the eye, how they look, they always look tired, they don't look fresh, also look sad and depressed. And that is one big problem people face. Because of under eye hollowness, people will always ask them, have you not slept? Are you feeling sad? Why are you so depressed? And in fact, many of them are not, or they are fresh. But it looks like that. Now, if you can fill this under eye hollowness with the right fillers in the right plane, you can get a different look to your face that is very fresh, awake, and also look very uplifted and happy. How many of you would like to have a very fresh look on the face, very uplifting look on the face, and look very charming when you're talking to the people? Just by working on the peri-orbital area around your eyes and under eye, you can change your emotional look also of the face. Similarly, now some people have a lot of wrinkles on the forehead. When they talk, these are called dynamic wrinkles. Now in these dynamic wrinkles, at times gives them a very angry look. A look that people don't like, that the person is too aggressive, too angry. And here Botox can really work very well. In fact, when people use Botox in the right way, it gives a look that the person is very relaxed and calm person. So in dynamic wrinkles, which come with animation, Botox works. And the wrinkles which are static, which are always present, whether you are talking or using any emotions or not, are called static wrinkles. The fillers work better. So besides mid-cheek and the under eye area, another area where fillers are being used a lot now is the peri-orbital area, is the perioral area. The perioral area, around the mouth, because oral is the mouth cavity, and all around the mouth cavity, we can use fillers. We can improve the looks of the face. Now, as we age, the angle of the mouth starts sagging down or drooping down. Now, would you be interested to change the look of your lips and look more amazing at your lips? We can do this by adding volume to your lips. We can do that by pouting your lips, by putting the fillers in the vermilion border, and also by lifting the angle of the mouth up. Fillers can also work on improving your chin, mantle lines, jowls, lifting all of them up. Now, if you look at all of these things, just imagine You undergo fillers. You lift your cheeks. How amazing your cheeks start looking. Just imagine. Your nasolabial folds start becoming less obvious. Your lips become more volumized. Lips start looking more pouted. Your jaws look more lifted up. Chin look more in shape and proportion. And we can display the mental lines. So when we combine all of this, just look how it can change your look to a better look, to a more amazing look. And that is what fillers can do. They can work magic with your face in the short time, provided we use the right dose, the right amount in the right plane. So friends, fillers can do all of these things in your face, but you need the right consultation, right person to guide you for all this. Now, when you have listened to all this, there must be a lot of questions in your mind. How much fillers I know? How much is going to cost me? Is filler the right choice for me? Or do I need to go for Botox? So, no need to worry. I can understand all your doubts, all your questions. It's very natural to have all of them. I've shared one WhatsApp number with you. If you have any of these questions or doubts, please ask them. Our team will get back to you and will respond to you and guide you what is best for you. Or the best would be you come to us. We can guide you what will work best for you. We have a team of dermatologists, cosmetic surgeons, and the whole team works in the best possible way to give the best looks with the fillers, with Botox, with peels, and with other devices that we are using now to give you an amazing look. Thanks.